everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog here on the channel. So today I'm going out, as the title says, going out to try Korean barbecue for the first time with the boys. That outfit that you saw in the beginning is actually what I'm going to be wearing to Anime Con. If you recognize the outfit, you'll know, but if not, you're just gonna have to wait till that video. So Anime Con going to be back in Anime NYC November 18th. Last year I went, really fun. I went on a Saturday. Unfortunately, couldn't get to a Saturday this year. Going to go Friday, but it is the 5th anniversary of Anime NYC, so I'm definitely looking forward to it. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, put the notification bell on so you get that video once it comes out. But like I said, today going out, I'm going to try Korean barbecue with the boys for the first time, and yeah, it's going to be fun, man. I mean, it's going to be a lot of us. It's going to be a lot of goofing around, lots of stuff like that. So, I mean, if y'all enjoy these videos, definitely leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's get right to the Korean spot. So, just got here, waiting for the people to show up. We on the highway, so it's a little loud, but I realized I haven't done one of these little, you know, outfit checks in a minute. So, got the Cleveland hat fitted, this like kind of like workman jacket from Zara, at the Stussy Dover Street Market, 15th anniversary. Some Gap cargos, and then we got the off-white blazers. I'm gonna run in here, see if anybody else is here. I didn't see anybody else hit the group chat, but I'm gonna get up with y'all when we get inside. Wait. How old are you actually?
Happy birthday.
Yo,
just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro. It's unknown.
I'm like,
nigga, limitless.
Show the ID.
Nigga, limitless.
Why did I take a picture next to
them
balloons?
Someone's holding it like this.
Wait, it was actually, it was actually someone else's balloons? Nah, you chose. Nigga chose.
Nigga did the boomerang. He was like,
No, you didn't. He walked in.
I literally got
You about to get hit by a car.
I literally got hit I literally just left. And I'm here already.
Because you
I
live
was
down.
looking at cat, you niggas now.
We out here, baby. Yeah, slap that meat on there, boy. Yeah, slap that meat on there, boy.
Why would they tell us that? They can tell you anything. Nah, this fish crazy, man. This fish crazy.
The fish different. Shit hitting.
You know I gotta stand up for that. That's how you know it's valid.
Shit valid when you gotta stand up over it. Oh, this nigga Avante really marinating the chicken in the salt. This shit about to bust though. I ain't gonna hold it. So Dave, real quick, review real quick. 1 to 10, 1 to 10. How you feeling?
Yo, I'm gonna give it a straight. We can give it a 7.5.
7.5.
We came unprepared. We knew how to cook.
Oh,
we
so
10 out of 10.
Okay, so it lost points because of us, because of our own foolishness.
We've been making food with no taste.
Shit ain't got no season. Shit made by Karen and Ken. What we thinking? 1 out of 10.
Oh, this? For me, I'll say a 9.
9?
Minus 3.
Damn. How you feeling, Monte? Overall experience.
Bro, I'm a cooking ass nigga, so like, this right up my alley. Anime head, so I like Japanese shit, Korean shit, or whatever, all this stuff. So it's a 9 for me.
9? Alright. It's making their own sauces, I mean, yeah, saucy. Yo, 1 to 10, how you feeling about the food, bro?
Get the fuck out of here.
Yo, 1 to 10, bro.
Yo, y'all gotta get this dude.
Yo, 1 out of, between,
Yo, what's up with yo?
from 1 to 10. That shit slap. Yeah, slide that meat in there.
After this, I will never catch myself cooking.
I mean, Del didn't pick up a tongue all night talking about I'm tired of cooking. Yeah.
This is the best decision.
This nigga Monte really cooking, bro.
Okay, alright, you fucking me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, you heard?
This one you know you're the last people at the restaurant. Look how much soap is in here. That's yo.
If you let me drop,
bros.
you don't gotta say
Alright, man. I'm not about to record me dapping up 8 niggas. I am. Alright. Oh, my bad. I forgot.
I'm not about to
Is he
record
actively
myself.
still
Dapping
recording?
up 8 niggas as I dap up every person I've ever known in my business. And they don't want to shake his hand.
And then edit it out.
Just don't like, wow.
No.
What's good, y'all? So it is the next morning, and I didn't get to explain it last night, but basically what happened was I called ahead of time, like a couple days before, and they said we didn't need a reservation, we could just show up, and I did think that was kind of weird considering how popular the place was. So when we showed up, they were like, oh, do you have a reservation? We're like, no, they told us we didn't need one. And then they were saying, oh, it's gonna take like hour, 45 minutes. So we was kind of sitting there like, do we wanna go somewhere else? Like we wasn't gonna wait, we weren't gonna wait 2 hours just to eat at this. So we're like, oh, then the guy said, oh, maybe it might be like an hour, it might be more, it might be less. And then we were like, well, we could go, go shoot some pool, go bowling, do something else while we wait. And then eventually, while we were sitting there trying to figure out what we're going to do, ends up 30, 40 minutes past already. So we just ended up getting in there. So we honestly only waited probably like 45, 50 minutes, and then we ended up going in. So it was a good time, had a lot of fun. The food wasn't really seasoned like that, but us being able to, make our own sauces and do all that, like it was fun. It was a lot of fun, a lot of food. I definitely recommend it if you guys never been. But before we finish the video, I want to open this package I got. So they have a thing going on at the Brooklyn Museum for Virgil, even though he passed. So I didn't go, but I did buy some of the merch online. So I'm gonna open that and we could take a look. We got 2 t-shirts. FOS means figure of speech. Got a little like digital cat character. We flip to the back. You can see that, Abloh tag up top. Pyrex 23. Definitely dope. I never got one of the Pyrex tees back in the day. Definitely didn't have money for that, so it was dope to get this. It's on the Champion tee, so the quality ain't crazy, but I think it was only like 60 bucks, so nothing too crazy. Then the last one was this, like, it's actually an official collab between, it says on the tag, so this is actually Disney, Mickey Mouse, and Virgil. So you got that figures of speech and quotes. Then on the back, you got that, figure of speech, like I said, July till January. If you guys ever want to go, definitely dope. I've seen pictures everywhere, videos of people going, so definitely recommend it. So that's it, man. Appreciate y'all for coming through. Like I said, I've been trying to get more consistent. I've been putting out videos pretty much every week over the last month and a half. So make sure if y'all haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment, and check out all the other videos I've been putting out the last couple weeks, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.